Hi, I'm Jacob Lundy with the Clark-Esposito law firm PC in New York. As a part of our firm's Build a Better Business video series of helpful tips for our business owner network, today I wanted to describe the benefits of developing a series of internal standard operating procedures for your business. As you might imagine, as a law firm, we're a highly regulated business. New York State has a number of laws related to law firms that regulate how we advertise and how we maintain records. As such, we have our own set of internal comprehensive standard operating procedures that guide just about all aspects of our business. For our clients in highly regulated industry, we've also helped a number of them create and maintain their own sets of internal standard operating procedures. From detailed export compliance programs to FDA regulation in the tobacco industry to human resources and hiring procedures, we've helped a number of clients across a range of regulated industries develop their own sets of standard operating procedures. There are a number of benefits to having a comprehensive set of standard operating procedures at your firm. A great example of a leading benefit for having a set of standard operating procedures is consistency. Whether it's navigating a particular process, procedure, or dealing with regulation, a set of standard operating procedures means that a process is implemented consistently company-wide. Standard operating procedures are also an excellent training tool. As you might imagine, at our law firm, we have many sets of complex procedures for implementing and researching law, and we use SOPs to train our staff in many of these tasks. In much the same way, standard operating procedures are an excellent tool for compliance. For highly regulated businesses, having standard operating procedures and following them precisely and consistently is an excellent way to demonstrate to regulators that you have a standardized and compliant process. In fact, in some regulated industries in which we work with clients, having standard operating procedures is required under law. But further, you may be surprised to learn that having standard operating procedures can often mitigate and reduce penalties for inadvertent violations of regulations and law. At the Clark-Esposito law firm PC, our comprehensive internal standard operating procedures provide us with all of these benefits and more. They're sort of roadmap for our firm. They help us hire and train new staff, standardize and streamline our complex tasks, and they also help us meet the complex web of New York State regulations for law firms. As our clients in highly regulated industries would certainly agree, having standard operating procedures saves them time and money. Developing and implementing SOPs quickly pays for itself. If you have questions about this topic or are interested in speaking with us about implementing or developing your own set of standard operating procedures, please feel free to contact us by email at contact@clarkespositolaw.com or by telephone at 917-546-6997. And don't forget, you're welcome to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Check out our playlist if you want to see more of our videos, and comment below and introduce yourself. We'll see you soon.